Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone had a blessed day. So I do have another unboxing. I kept looking at this bag, you all. Couldn't resist this bag. Had to have this bag. So let's see what I got. So now that I'm done unwrapping her, I will just begin to look over the bag to make sure there's no damage or blemish on the bag. So I'll begin to just turn her. So this is the bottom of the bag and she's looking great so far. So the bottom do have the gold protective feet. So you all already know what this is. So this is the Large Rowan Satchel in that signature print with the embossed C's in black and gold. Okay, so this is the top of the bag. So you do have your two zipper pulls and that gold hardware, and it also have Coach written on the zipper pull. So I will just show you all the inside of the bag. So this is how the inside looks. So you do have that black interior in the inside, and you have a back zipper compartment right back here, and you have a Coach booklet. You also have the Coach creed right here. You have the snap pocket right here with that brown leather trim going around it. So yeah, so this is how the inside look, the black inside. And I will just give you all another real good look at the bag. Okay. Loving this bag right here. So yeah, so this is my third Large Rowan Satchel. Altogether, I have about 10 or 11 Rowan Satchels. So if you all would like to see my Rowan Satchel collection, just let me know down in the comment. So yeah, so if you all enjoyed this video on today, give me a like, give me a share, make sure you subscribe to One Habit 84. Make sure you hit that notification button so you all will know every time I upload a video.